Yeah, Nikki, Eric, those under quarantine are being housed at the West Wind Inn here at the Travis Air Force Base. And the CDC says most of the people being monitored here are American citizens, and none of them are showing symptoms of the coronavirus at this time. New images of some of the first overseas travelers deboarding a plane from Wuhan, China in Northern California. More than 150 people have been placed under a federal quarantine at Travis Air Force Base to ensure they are not infected with the novel coronavirus.
It was a very emotional experience having the first family walk through the door.
These photos captured from inside the quarantine zone at the base's West Wind Inn, where Daisy Roth and her daughters, 5-year-old Abigail and 10-month-old Adeline, will wait out the next 2 weeks.
They brought diapers, there's baby food, baby wipes, and all these things were supplied in the hotel that's on the Air Force Base.
Their father, Samuel Roth, sending them love and support from Wisconsin, counting down the days until he can bring his family home.
It's not that I want my family to be there for 2 weeks, but I want to fully comply with whatever precautions are necessary to ensure that my family is well, but also that we're not bringing the disease into the community.
The CDC says the Roths and other evacuated families are being told to keep a safe distance from one another and not share items like toys. So far, health officials say no one on base is showing symptoms of the coronavirus. But away from the military base are 2 other passengers from Wednesday's 11-hour flight, a mother and her small child, who the CDC says came down with a fever and is being monitored at an area hospital.
Children have fever for a number of different reasons. And so the child is being evaluated at this point and will be put in isolation and tested.
Still unclear tonight when and if more evacuees are coming to Travis Air Force Base. Fox 40 has learned a Sacramento woman teaching and living overseas in Wuhan, China is on the list for the next quarantine flight to the U.S.
She's not scared. She's in peace.
Vera Demchuk says her 39-year-old daughter Irina Sokol feels healthy and had been hoping to stay in China.
She was feeling safe. She said we have enough food in our apartment and we are okay. We don't have to go out. We are fine.
But now her mother says she's preparing to travel home to the U.S. for a 14-day quarantine at one of the designated military bases.
We just hope for the best. Hope they're going to let her on a plane and they're going to come here and get reunited. We'll see.
The CDC says the risk of the general public contracting the coronavirus here in America remains very low, which is why health officials are taking such aggressive preventative measures. Reporting live from Travis Air Force Base tonight, Bridget Bjorlo, Fox 40 News.
Bridget, thank you.